Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from... Did that work? Yeah, that worked. I just plugged the camera in. This is Miso Ramen from PLN Food Company Limited of Taiwan. It's frozen, so... This is one of the ones that was shipped all the way from Taiwan. Thank you again. These have been really, really good. And yeah, I'm absolutely 100% impressed with them. The noodles. There's a pair of those sachets. And then there's a pair of these sachets. So what you do, I'm going to throw this part back in the freezer. And so you take one of these sachets and you drop it in a pot of boiling water with 300 mils of water in it. And let that get all happified. This is like really quick. Very quick to cook this sucker up. Okay, so there's that. Put that back on the burner. Get it back up to a boil, and then we drop this in for a minute, and that's that. So while it gets back up to a boil, we have more of our wonder book, Momofuku Ando Speaks, quotations from guy who invented instant noodles. Okay, so let's see. I think the last one was number 53. Yeah, incomplete knowledge keeps you away from the essence of things. Number 54. I do not believe everything that experts like doctors and lawyers tell me. Sometimes a lay conception proves right. I don't think I did that one last time. It's funny though, because it's like I have to rush through these things as fast as I can. Like right now, oh man, it's a Monday, all right. That's for sure. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. The noodle block going in to the water. Get in there for a minute or so. So, what's going on? Well, I had a pretty good weekend. Got some stuff done, went shopping. Did a bunch of walking around. Oh wow, yeah, they're it's like the noodles are just kind of melting away and gonna be happy as a clam momentarily. Wow, that's fast. That is a fast... I'm sorry, they are frozen. Some people might have qualms about that, but I will say right now, 1 minute is pretty fast. Yeah, and it's just about done. Cool. I like that. Alright. 4207. A quick stir. I want to make sure it's all the way hot. Feels like it should be. Let's find out. That smells like good miso. Here's the ramen. Itadakimasu, right? Itadakimasu? I always get that one wrong. Wow. Nice chewy noodle. And a nice miso reminds me, very like, I gotta say, bacony. I like it. Somebody's trying to blow me up right now on my phone. It is not the time to blow me up. I am in the middle of what I do. Okay. Let's start with the egg. So, the egg thing was going great, and then all of a sudden we came to the conclusion that the eggs from our local grocery store, the store brand ones, are just horrible. We were getting maybe not enough eggs. Low returns on the because of the eggs were like really crummy quality. We figured they must be feeding them fiberglass. Feeding those chickens some fiberglass or something. So I decided I'd try this name brand one. They're called Eggland's Best. And the only problem is that they're large. They're not extra large. And we have the timing all hammered out for that. These are way overdone. It's like, let's try 6 minutes on the large. That didn't work out so well, apparently. So, next time, it's always a learning. It's kind of a battle of learning with the eggs. But on the bright side, we will get there. Mustn't forget, I went to the store, and only thing I bought at the store today was a can of corn. Let's just put some corn in here. I should have gotten butter too, but I didn't think of it at the store. Today is a school day, and officially as of now, well, who knows? I don't believe. Probably there's corn. I like corn. That's really good. This is organic Green Valley whole kernel corn. No salt added, folks. Yeah. You guys want any corn? I'm never going to use the rest of this. That's the problem. Everything is in such a large quantity everywhere. It's like, I don't need that much. I want one button mushroom. Some places you can do that. Hey, you guys need to calm down. You've been like crazed all morning, and the morning isn't that old yet. It's been a nutty day. So Miles' schedule got changed around a little bit, and I know why they did it. And initially, I was hopeful that they would do it. But it's like he's got, what was it? He had his kind of like his homeroom, and then he had what do you call it? That homeroom. Mind you, this is a kindergarten class. He had like his homeroom thing, and then he had his, what do you call it? Had his reading, and then you had, it was supposed to be library, and then library didn't happen. I'm like, okay, all right. And then, like, a half an hour later is supposed to be math. And then 45 minutes later, it's supposed to be, no, more than that, it's supposed to be speech. And speech is, like, a very important class for him. And I'm kind of weighing the pros and cons. It's like, which one is going to work out the best for him? Which is he going to get the most out of? And where's the burnout point going to be? So he's really has an aptitude for numbers. So we're thinking, we'll see how that goes. I'm going to kind of, not really skip. We're not going to be like bad people, but just kind of seems like, why don't we do it in this order? And if this order works, we're going to stick to it. I have a feeling his teacher's going to be like, yeah, that's probably a good idea. Anyways, there we go. And there we go. Oh, wait a second. Maybe there we go. All right, Rotato, take it away. Alrighty, well for me, that's the first of two all done. So, yeah, this is really quite excellent stuff. If you've got a freezer section and you're in Taiwan, I think you can probably manage to find this pretty easily. Yeah. Alright, well hey, this has been Alan's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.